A new feather in the crown of the Tatas, buying this popular Chinese food brand. Tata Group is running its business in all parts of the country. From salt to cars to houses, Tata's contribution is undeniable. Also, Indians cannot forget the contribution of Tatas in various other fields. Apart from this, the Tata are increasing their business every day. Tata has already sealed the deal to manufacture the iPhone on Indian soil. Similarly, it is known that another feather is going to be added to their crown. According to a news that has gone viral on social media, this time the Tata are going to buy a Chinese food brand that is very popular in India. Chinese food brands are very popular in countries like India. The noodles of that food brand are sold in homes all over the country. If the news that has gone viral on social media is true, then there is no doubt that the business of the brand will increase further. The Chinese brand that is being speculated to be acquired by the Tatas is Ching's Noodles. This brand is very popular in India as Desi Chinese. The business of this company has crossed hundreds of crores of rupees at the moment. In the meantime, the viral news on social media is claiming that the Tata Group is showing interest in buying such a popular brand. According to the news that went viral on social media, the Tata Group can buy the popular company for 5,500 crore rupees. Tata's Tata Consumer Products Limited is one of the companies that is in the lead to buy Capital Foods PVT. According to the news, Tata wants to buy 65 to 70% shares of that company first. The rest will be purchased later. But not only Tata, several other companies have also expressed interest in buying this company, according to sources. This popular Chinese food brand was started in 1995 by Ajay Gupta. He traveled to different parts of the country and realized that the Indian taste is disappearing with the increasing popularity of Chinese food in different parts of India. In view of this, he made arrangements to preserve the Indian taste with Chinese food. After that, he had to suffer a lot in the beginning by creating this company, and later this company gained huge popularity. Now this company has become the owner of hundreds of crores of rupees.